Hi, David.coble at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us. Our information is below. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to see these boats. I'm aboard a 2019 250 Solstice dual console, and it's a gorgeous boat. We're just cruising out, getting ready to go for a little run in it and make a little more video for you guys. Just want to point out, you know, the engine is running. We're driving right now, and you probably don't hear anything. I mean, I can't hear it from the front of the boat here. So, you know, the quiet, you know, engine along with the performance is just spectacular. You can see that there's a ton of room here, ton of space. I can shut this gate, pin in the children or dogs or whatever. This actually being the dual console, you can slip this piece. I have a piece here that stows, slips out of this cover, slips into here, and you can shut this windshield, and it's just like you're in an enclosed, almost like an open bow style, where you can block that wind and really get out of the elements if it's a nice cool morning or early start to the day or whatever. You know, as you can see, we're just tooling right along, nothing to it. You look towards the aft section, you'll notice this has got the tower, and it's a sports tower, so it has a tow point up here, tower speakers. And I'm a tall guy. I haven't been walking into these. If you're wondering if they're intrusive, they're not, but they sound great. And if you're pulling somebody or doing something or coving out, maybe hanging out back there floating on a chill raft or whatever, you know, it kind of puts that sound right at you, and you're not blasting everybody as much. This thing is equipped with the SL seating, the single lounger, and that allows you to sit facing forward in the back, and then you can, when you're coving out, you can push this back, lay back, and enjoy the view as you're looking out at our marina. Some of the slips, we have a couple hundred slips here, but these four-stroke engines, I'll tell you, this is running. If you get close enough, you may hear it. This is comfort on the water. You're not getting blasted the whole time. It's less fatiguing. Not hearing that engine all day long, it's just going to make your life a lot easier and more enjoyable. So come on down to MarineMax and give us a try. We got several of these boats on the water. If you want to take a test ride, come give us a shout.